Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Girl channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Level Up Fitness app. So first thing you have to do is open up your Play Store or your Apple Store just like this and search for Level Up Fitness. Once you do that, you click on install to install the app and you click on play. So let's start. So this is actually how the app looks like. It's very friendly. I do love the app, the way it looks like. So what you need to do is actually to create an account. That's the first thing you're going to do. But unfortunately, I created an account trying to make this particular video, the tutorial. So but it's not hard. You just have to put in your name and password. But let's try signing out so you can see how to create an account. So you click on account and you're just going to enter your username and you enter your password. Just create any password and click on create, so it will be created. So once it's created, you click on this X and click on login. Then you log in the name you imputed and the password as well. So let's do that. The password, click on OK, click on enter. So you're going to be logged in. So let me put in the username. So you can see I'm just logged in right now. Welcome player, new save data. So you click on that. Yeah, confirm. So there's a disclaimer and click on understood. So you're going to click on weekly rest day. So I'm just going to click on this and click on enter. I consider this a very lovely app because I can see how it's looking so fine and friendly. So click on understand and choose difficult, choose exercise and the rest of that. So okay, and classy, easy. So I'm going to go with easy, select, and let's see, rank calculator, maximum push-ups 5 and maximum sit-ups 5 and squats 5. Then click on done, click on calculate and finish. So see how it works. Welcome to the Level Up Fitness app in Barry and I'm here to show you the ropes. Click on next and click on next, click on next. They're just actually showing you what you need to know about the app, so you can sit and read most of them, but I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just going to skip most of them. So level up reward, congratulations, you have leveled up another 5 levels. Now you can choose to increase your daily challenge or progress on the next progression. So connect. So like this, the body structure, and I'll just keep all this. Okay, there's a lot of things you can actually read, right? So we are now in the app finally. So ability points. So you can choose to view the skill tree just like this and spend points, return, so you can return back and level up your gym fit with our exclusive Puma discount. So you can actually subscribe to it. But you can get canvas and cardigans from them and outfits for gyms. So this is status and your rank and the rest of that. So these are your daily tasks. Click on this and this is your daily tasks. So you can just impute the one you're able to do and you must be complete. I think they're going to give you a time for you to be able to do that, and I think it's super cool. So like this is the menu, sums. Okay, this is like a sum party, dungeon, inventory, leaderboard. So it's just like a game where your ranks and names, levels will be written right here. So right now my rank is 234, right? So you can see a lot of people above me, so you can see the globe, and click on return. So you can decide to shop from them to get Puma canvas and gym outfits as well. So it's just super cool, and you can actually begin your journey and subscribe and the rest of that. If this guide was helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.